So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound, and most of you are asking about the results of the Technical Scripter 2026 by GfG. Where are the results? How are we getting the prize email? All things will cover in this video. So before we start, make sure to subscribe the channel, like the video. Most of you have already participated in the Technical Scripter 2026 program and completed all the challenges, like posting challenges you have completed, and you must be selected as a winner. Also, you must be knowing that you'll be getting some cool prizes, including the t-shirts and cash prizes too. So as of now, they have announced the winners. Okay, they have announced the winners. You can clearly see they have just announced the category winners. Okay, and daily winners also. So if I just see over here in the post directly, let me just show you. So here you can see they have announced the daily winners of the 10 categories. Okay, so from here you can just see, and more results will be out very soon. Okay, so how to view it, I will share the link for this particular profile. From there you can just see all the results over there. Now what is the next step? Okay, what is the next step? How I'll be getting the prizes? So once the result is out, mostly they are just preparing and publishing it. So I think by evening everyone will be getting the mails. Okay, in the mail the details will be there, like you have to enter your address, maybe they will ask for your QR, or maybe they'll just give you a voucher. So whatever will happen, do not worry, we'll update you throughout the journey. Okay, so what you have to do, first of all, check whether your username is present on these winners or not. In case your name is not present over here, then also do not worry. If you have posted continuously, okay, if you have posted continuously throughout 15 days or 30 days without any break, you are eligible for the t-shirt and the prize money. Okay, so how will be getting, as I said earlier, you'll be getting a prize email very soon. Okay, if anyone gets, they can comment down below also. And if you have won any of the prizes out of these, any of the tracks, okay, any of the tracks, for example daily winners, or maybe posting a mega engagement reward track, you can just comment down below. Okay, and the most important thing, do not worry or do not panic about it. If you have completed the channel challenge, you'll be getting the prize email very soon. Okay, I'll update a video regarding how to claim your prizes also once the mails are out. So this was a quick update I wanted to share. And if you want to participate in another internship opportunity or swags event, you can participate. We have the Genie Academy Epic Edition, Infosys Spring Boot also is there. Okay, and you can see the chance to get a AI residency free of cost at IIM Ahmedabad. You can just see the channel, we have covered multiple things over here. So this was a quick update I wanted to share. Thank you, have a great day ahead.